everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new hoods. Okay, this is going to be a 12-foot restaurant kitchen hood, 12 feet. Okay, all stainless steel hood, as you can see. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this hood out for you. As I mentioned, for the length, 12 feet. Okay, from top to bottom, you're looking at a total of about 26 inches. Okay, from the sides, you're looking at a total of 47.5 inches. Okay, 47.5. Now I want to go ahead and show you the inside, locate the certification for this hood. Okay, as you can see on the side, we have the NSF and more detailed information for this hood. Also on these trays we have labeled NSF. We also have tags on the inside with the UL. Okay, as well as the grease filters. Grease filters will also have labels on them with NSF and UL certification. Okay, so this is an all NSF certified kitchen hood. Now I want to go ahead and show you the back, show you the opening on the back where all the air gets sucked out through. I want to go ahead and measure that space for you. For the length, you're looking at 30 inches. Just the inside, it'll be 28 inches. Front, top to bottom, 12 inches. Just the inside, it will be 10 inches. Okay, so that's the measurements for that opening on the back of this hood. Okay, this is an all kitchen restaurant hood, as I mentioned. 12 feet for this hood. If you're interested in one of these hoods, you can go on our website. We'll have all the information on the website, Coolerdepotservice.com. We'll update the price exactly for the 12-foot hood. Okay, so you can see it on the website. If you have any other questions, maybe regarding this one or another size, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching.